The channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do sports trading on MEXC platform. So as you can see right here, on the left hand side we have the order book. On the right hand side we have where you can actually select the currency pairs you want to trade. All right, and if you look down, you're going to see the market trades. Then this section is where you're going to take a trade, and above this take a trade section is where you're going to see the graph for how the coin is actually doing against each other, right? So currently I'm on the MX/USDT. All right, so before I continue with the video, if you're actually new to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All right, so at the top of this section, you're going to see this is the current price of MEX token. This is the current price of MEX token, and this is the lowest price that's gone to in the last 24 hours. And you can see right here, this is the highest price that's gone to in the last 24 hours. All right, so you can see right here, so this is it. So basically on this graph, we have different graph. We have the original, we have trading view and depth. The trading view is used by advanced traders because you can actually make use of trading view tools like your trade line, your Fibonacci and retracements, and so many more. So you can actually use all these tools right here on MEXC. So most people prefer this trading view, but I'm going to stick with this original view. So on this original view, this is how it looks like, less tools and all. And you can also see the time frame here. You can change the time frame to whatever you want. If you want 30 minutes, you can change that to 30 minutes. So you can see right here, and once you change the time frame, the order book is also going to change. That's something you need to note. If I change it, you notice the order book is going to change. So that's how it works. All right, so order books change based on the price currently here. So we're actually on MX/USDT. So if I scroll down, you notice that my before we talk about taking another, basically you have limit, market, and stop limit, and few other ones. All right, so the limit has to do with you taking a trade. Let's say, for example, the current price of MX token is $2.8, and you don't want to buy this token at $2.8119. Looking at the all-time low in the last 24 hours, it means MX token went below, went at low at $2.8011. All right, and you want to make it, let's say for example you want to go ahead and buy at this price. You want to buy at this price. It's very easy. All you have to do, I'll copy this price. For example, let me copy this price. Then that's what limit is all about. Limit allows you to set a particular price you want to go into the market. Let's say for example I want to buy MX token at this price, and currently the price is at 2.8120. You can see right now the price is going up, and I actually want to buy at 2.8011. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to put the price here. So I'm going to put the price there, and I'll put in the amount. Then I'll click on buy, and it's going to buy. But basically, let's do it. Let me click on buy. Now click on confirm. So basically right now I can't actually fill this order because I have just 1 USDT in my account. I don't have up to 5 USDT. But once I place this order, it's going to be added to the open order. But this order is not going to be triggered because the current price of MX token is 2.8119. So this price needs to get down to 2.8011, which is below this level. All right, which is below this level. So once it gets there, then that's going to be triggered, and I can wait for the price to rise again. And once the price rises again, I can go ahead and sell, and I get to make good amounts of money for myself. But the profit you're going to make is very low because this is sports trading. All right, this is sports trading unless you make use of huge amounts. All right, so if you make use of 5 USDT or make use of 10 USDT, you're not going to earn much. Or you make use of 10 USDT or 50 USDT below, you're not going to make much. Right, so you want to make use of huge amount or huge assets basically. All right, so if you come to the market section, this market section on the other hand allows you to take the trade at the market price. The current market price is 2.8124. You can see right here 2.8124. So it's going to take the price, it's going to enter the market or take this trade at this price. And if I select I will select the amount of USDT I want to use, and I buy, and this trade is going to is going to trigger instantly because I'm using the current market price rather than the limit price. Then the stop limit means you want the price, once the price can hit this price and it's going up, then you want the trade to enter, right? So it's very, very easy, right? So apart from stop limit, we also have OCO, but right now I don't really know much about OCO, right? So basically, these are the ones you're actually going to make use of. You're going to make use of limit, market, and stop limits. You're going to make use of these ones so many times. And on this side, you're going to see different assets. You can trade different assets. Basically, depending on the stable currency you have in your account. If you have USDC, it means you'll be trading with USDC. If you have USDC, you'll be trading with USDC. And to fund your account is very easy. You can actually fund your account using the P2P section, or you use your credit card, right? So the P2P section is not available to all countries, all right? It's not available to all countries. It's available to few countries, all right? So you might actually want to make use of your debit card. So that's it, guys. I think I've explained how to go ahead and do spot trading on MEXC Global. If you found the video really helpful, kindly like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.